Let's make an easy 3-ingredient pineapple Dole Whip. Add 2 cups of frozen pineapple, a half cup of pineapple juice, and a heaping scoop of vanilla ice cream to a blender or food processor, and blend until smooth. Add additional pineapple juice as needed to get the consistency that you want. Add a star decorating tip to a piping bag or a plastic bag, then place it into a tall glass to make filling it easier. Scoop the Dole Whip into the bag. Then pipe it into a bowl or ice cream cone. Then serve right away. Easy as that. Enjoy. Find the recipe on my website, inthekitchenwithmatt.com.